What's going on, guys? Back with another Clifford video. So today we're going to tackle some of the small issues that the truck has, but we're going to start off by replacing the headlights and taillights, which is going to make a huge difference. And if you missed it in the jack video, we took the steps off, which it does look so much cleaner now. I knew it would. Y'all were spamming me in the comments saying take the steps off. It was only a matter of time before I did, but they are officially off, and yes, it does look so much better with them off. And I am stoked to replace the taillights more than anything on this truck, because on this generation these taillights just look ancient, dude. They just look super old school, and once you throw a little bit more modern taillight in there, it just cleans it up so good. I think I have a solution coming. Very nice guy on Instagram is in talks with me, and we're hopefully gonna get that figured out. But I'll leave it at that until we get a better update, and we'll have our own video dealing with that. So let's get to swapping some lights out, get this thing looking a lot better. Just basically fall out. Wow, this thing was definitely a dirt road runner, I'm telling you that. It just got dust and grime everywhere. Letting those tail light areas dry out. Show a little love to Larry, even though Larry is covered in, what is this, pollen? Guess it's pollen. Daggone, poor Larry, neglected once again. All right, let's go ahead and unbox these babies. That's probably dry enough in my opinion. That's what we're gonna be replacing. All right. Oh yeah. Where's my screws? Well, here she is with the new taillights on there. I think it's much cleaner. I dig it. Looks good on the red. And even though you can't really see them together, this is the headlights that we're about to replace. The headlights themselves have been replaced, obviously, because they're not super fogged up, but they still look terrible, and the corner lights look terrible, and the fog lights look absolutely terrible, especially this one over here. I don't know what happened with this guy. Looks like it's I guess had a bulb blow inside there. That's great. We might actually tint over that once we do the housings. I don't know, I think it might look good. Almost did that on Chomper before we swapped it back to the clears. But yeah, let's go ahead and swap the headlights out, see what she looks like. Let's go ahead and take our fishing pole off. Take this, I think I saved my other shorty. Yeah, here it is. And I put my Recon bullet antenna on. Put a little stubby on this one. Much cleaner look, in my opinion. All right, I definitely think the lights look good, even though that one's already trying to fog up. Oh, it's super humid here in Alabama today, so I'm probably gonna have to pop that one back out. I'll probably pop them all back out and silicone them. I just wanted to make sure that I actually did like this look, which I do think possibly the red would look better with clears, especially I plan on taking the fender flares off. And the more red, the better, right? Obviously the red, the brighter you can make it look, in my opinion, the better it does look. So kind of undecided. Once we take the flares off, we might have to go back with some clears, but right now we're actually going to do what someone has already done. So on this side, as you can see, someone put a little rivet right here. These guys are bad about breaking, and flopping. So looks like someone's already done that here, and I plan on doing it on this side. So just need to drill us a hole, line this up, drill us a hole, and put a rivet in it, and that should keep this bumper held up like it's supposed to, because as you can see in there, the little guys are broken. So yeah, let's drill it out, put a rivet in it, should be good to go. All right, yep, we did. Let's see if the rag saved us. It did, perfect. Rivet time. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. So now let's go ahead and try to fix the most annoying thing that Clifford's got going on right now. That being the front seat has no power whatsoever. And as you can tell, it's pretty much straight up, which is not necessarily my favorite posture, even though it should be. But if we look underneath here, we're going to be pulling this circuit breaker. Apparently this one right here is what controls the seat. I don't know if I can get this out of my hand. Looks like I can. Okay, so I don't know what this is necessarily supposed to look like, but thanks to Chomper, we've got one that I know works that I can go grab real quick. We can try it out in here. Let's make sure we're in all the way. Okay, please, please, please. Oh, no. That is not what I wanted. That is not good. I don't know. Let me know. Comment. Please help me. Someone's gonna come down here and grab me a drink, right? Go to grab my wallet. Where's my wallet? Oh yeah, I hopped underneath the truck a second ago before I left. Wow. Wow. That is insane. All right, guys, that's gonna be about it for this video. Let's do one last walk around. Y'all let me know in the comment section what you think about everything that we did today. Wow, the fog lights look horrid. That left one, passenger side, good gracious. I do definitely think that not having the big cheddar cheese cleaned it up a ton. I still think it might look better with clears instead of the dark housings, just on the red. Maybe I'm just ruined by clears on these trucks, which is definitely a possibility. About to see if an extra 2-inch drop does the trick for us, because I'm not going to keep it just this height. It's just annoying to drive because it rubs a lot, and it just looks like it's just not got a leveling kit on it because it's sitting pretty much level. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's been purposely lowered. Y'all help me with the seat, please. Like I said, we've hopefully got a solution coming for the sunroof very soon. Next week, I'm hoping. If it turns out to be what I'm hoping and everything pans out, then it's going to be a miracle. It's going to be amazing. And I'm going to be extremely grateful of the dude. We'll see. We'll see. It might all fall apart. Some things tend to happen like that. But yeah, dude, I ain't gonna lie. Would it be wrong for me to just take the entire interior out of this truck and put it in Chomper if I decide to sell this thing? That'd be wrong. Kind of thinking it'd be right. Also kind of think it'd be possibly a nightmare. I don't know. I just really love this interior. It's insanely clean. Somehow I managed to bird turd. Guess when I had the sunroof open, one plopped through there. But yeah, just rambling at this point. I know a lot of y'all have seen want me to do exhaust on it, but I don't think I'm going to do exhaust until I decide whether or not I'm going to keep this or sell it. I mean, let's be honest, I'm probably going to sell it at some point. I was thinking about doing a muffler delete and putting one of my 6-inch tips kind of axle dumped on it. I think that'd be a clean look. It'd be a good comparison, muffler delete, you know, a catback single straight pipe, I guess what you'd call it, versus the true dual catback straight pipe. I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, like I said, that's gonna be about it for this video. Gonna go tackle some things on Chomper, and then I think this afternoon, maybe I'll do it next, we're gonna be dropping Clifford an extra 2 inches and making it probably undrivable. But I think it's gonna look sick, and it'll be up to that video whether or not we decide to keep the low route or if we bring it up. But I'm gonna quit rambling. Y'all let me know. See y'all on the next one.